Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about finding the LCM by prime factorization method, children. That is exercise 3.5, page number 41, children. So let us discuss, children, one by one. First, find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So first one, children, 12 and 15 is the first question. So how to find the LCM of the given numbers by prime factorization? No doubt, children, the given numbers are given here 12 and 15. Okay, let us express each number as the product of prime factors. Let us express each number as a product of prime factors. So factors of 12. Children, factors of 12 into 12, 2 into 3, children. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12. 2 into 3. Now factors of 50, children. That is, very well. 3 into 5, 15. They are the prime factors, children. 3 into 5, 15. Now the common factors of both. The common factors of both 12 and 15. Children, what are common factors here? 3 is equal to 3. 3 is the common factor of both the numbers. Okay. Now then take the extra factors of both. Take the extra factors of both, that is 12 and 15 are extra factors, children, here 2 to 5. That is 2 into 5. These are the extra factors. 2 into 5. These are the extra factors, children. Now, children, therefore LCM equal to product of common factor and extra factors. Product of common factors and extra factors. Okay. So here 2 into 5 into 3 equal to the 4 5 is 20, 20 into 3 60. So 60 is the answer. This is the LCM of the given numbers. Okay, this is the first bit, children. First sum, children. Okay, all of you, after watching this video, you have to copy it down in your classwork, children. Okay, and next, second question, children. What is second question here? For example, second question what? 15 and 25, children, here. Second question, 15 and 25. Now same, children, here. Solution: factors of 15 equal to prime factors, children. Prime factors of 15 equal to, very well, 3 into 5. The factors of 25 equal to, very well, 5 into 5 is the 25. 5 into 5 is the 25. So the common factors of both 15 and 25 equal to how much, children, here? 5, because this is the common factor. Both 15 and 25, the common factor is 5. Now, children, the extra factors of both. The extra factors of both 15 and 25. What is the extra factor, children, here? Very well, 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is the extra factors. Now, therefore, LCM equal to, I already told you, LCM equal to the product of common factors and extra factors. That is 5 into 3 into 5. That implies, children, here 5 is the 15, 15 5 is the 75. 75 is the answer. 75. Okay, children. This is the second problem, children. And now, third problem. What is third problem, children, here? Find the LCM of 14 and 21. Find the LCM of 49, 21 by prime factorization. By prime factorization method. By prime factorization method. Okay. Children observe here. So factors of 14 equal to children how much you know? Factors of 14 how much? 2 into 7. 2 into 7. The factors of 21. Factors of 21 equal to how much? 3 into 7. Now the common factors equal to 7. The common factor equal to 7. Now extra factors equal to 2 into 3. Extra factors equal to 2 into 3. Therefore, LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 7. That is equal to 2 to the 6. 6 7 is 42. So 42 is the answer. Okay, 42 is the answer. This is the third solution. Okay. Now children, one more. Next problem. Find the LCM of the numbers 18 and 27. Fourth one. 18 and 27. Children, factors of 18. You know very well. Factors of 18 is equal to, children, you know, 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. And next factors of 27 children here. Okay, 3 into 9 or 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. These are the factors of 27. Now common factors children here. These are the common factors. And these are the common factors. So the common factors are 3 into 3. Common factors are equal to 3 into 3 children. The extra factors of both. The extra factors of both numbers are only one children, that is 3. Sorry, 2 comma 3. 2 into 3, you can write 2 into 3. Extra factors. Now LCM equal to what? LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 3 is children 54. 54 is the LCM of the given numbers, that is 89, 27. Okay children. So these are the first bit. I have told you almost 4 questions children. Still remaining 2 questions are there. You can those 2 questions also. I will tell you one 5th question. I will tell you remaining 6th question. You can do it children. You can do it 6th question. So 5th question I am telling children. Given numbers 48, 56 and 72. 48, 56, 48 comma 56 and 72 children. These are the given numbers. So same thing children. Factors of 48. So factors of 48 children, how will that be? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 4, 4 is 8, 2 is 16 into 3. 48. Factors of 48. Next factors of 56. Factors of 56 children here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, 4 2 is 8 into 7, 56. Okay, and next factors of 72 children. You know very well 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 is 4, 4 is 8, 8 is 24, 24 is 72. Now the common factors, you know very well common factors. So this is a one common factor, and this is a one common factor. So the common factors common factors. 2 into 2 into 2 and extra factors of 48 comma 56 and 72 equal to, you know very well extra factors are there here, common factors, you know, 2 into 2 into 2, extra factors are here. What extra factors? 2 into 3 into 7, 2 into 3 into 7 are the extra factors. Now LCM. What is LCM? Therefore LCM equal to, you know, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 48, 48 into 7 till how much? 48 into 7. Okay, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, and one more will come children here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the 4 to 8, 16, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8, 3 into 2 also the children, 3 into 2, 4, 8, 16, 48 into 7, 48 into 7, so 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 ja 8 to the 16, 6 to the 48, 48 3 ja, one more 3 will come here. So equal to how much? 100, 1008. 1008 is the answer. So this is the method which we can find the LCM by prime factorization method, children. So first of all we have to write the prime factors of each and every given number, and we have to find the common factors among the numbers, and then extra factors which are not common, and then the LCM equal to what? Product of common factors and product of extra factors. So this is the way of finding LCM by prime factorization method, children. Children, this is the first bit I completed. One more sum is left over. That sum you can do it your own in classwork. After this video, you can copy all the questions in your classwork, children. Thank you and have a nice day.